Hi guys, so today we are going to be making a Bailey's Irish Cream cocktail. I'm so excited. You will need a food scale. If not, measuring cups. I'm going to be using milliliters, so just convert that on Google. You will be needing your Bailey's Irish Cream. You will be needing milk, and you will be needing strawberries. My strawberries are already washed, so I'm going to be plopping 4 of these bad boys in there. So today we're going to be doing a barbecue in our resort and doing some day drinking. We just got home from the ATVs, and we actually got home pretty early. We got home like at 12, so we have the rest of our afternoon to ourselves. Right now it's 1. We were just settling in. Now he's getting ready the things for the barbecue, and I am getting ready our drinks. Babe, ¿quieres que te haga una? Pasadita. Está haciendo las cosas para el barbecue. Adobo la carne. Qué ricura. ¿Y qué más vamos a hacer? Oh, también vamos a hacer hamburguesas. Ella es chef, ella es bartender, ella es emprendedora. If it's just for yourself, what I'm going to do, divide it by 2. But I'm going to be doing a portion for 2 people, so it's going to be 8 strawberries instead. And I mean, if you just want 2 cups for yourself, then go ahead, hunty. So here we have 4. We need 4 more. So yeah, we're extending our stay here, and I'm excited about it. We're staying only 4 extra nights, 5 extra days, I think. Yeah. The rest of the days we don't have much planned. We're just excited to be here. We're probably going to be chilling at the pool or going to the water park. I'm going to try my best to film for you guys because Aquatica has a really cool tube that you go down with the dolphin. Like, you go down through a tunnel, and on both sides you have like dolphins swimming around you, so it's really cool. 50 milliliters of milk and 50 milliliters of Irish cream. And then if you have honey, you can literally have a dash of honey. I don't got honey, so it's okay. Now I'm gonna be setting my scale to tar or tare. I don't know how you say it. But here we will be measuring it out. Again, you don't need a measuring cup. You can just convert milliliters, 2 cups. Shake, shake. Opening it. We're popping bottles. Guys, this is only if you're 21 and up. Cheers. Ay, está rica. So I don't drink much because of the effects that it has on the body. 100 milliliters because it's for 2. So I am exercising, I am trying to lose weight, so I don't want those negative side effects to happen to me. So that's exactly why I just rather not drink much. But today we're just gonna have some cocktails and nothing crazy. Fun part. Looks so good. Put some ice in it. Just however much you want. I'm just gonna be tasting and seeing. I'm gonna taste and see if I want to add more Baileys. Can definitely add more Baileys. This just right now it tastes like a strawberry smoothie.
Put some more. Come on, put some more.
Jose just made ¿qué es? ¿Vodka? Ciroc? Vodka with orange juice. So cheers to that. Oh, es el de piña. Yo sé cuál es. Pour it up, pour it up. Oh my, look at that. It's a nice consistency too. Mmm. This is a lot. Alright guys, this is it. You can decorate it with a piece of strawberry. It'll look way cuter if it's on a glass so you can see it through.